Math is a skill that can be improved with practice and more practice. Hello and welcome to Basic 2 Tech for students, teachers, and math education. This is part 2 of the series How You Can Improve Your Math Skills. If you have not watched the first part of the series, I will drop the link in the description box, or you can click the card at the end of this video. The second tip for you to improve your math skills is to get some practice. After you have learned the basic math operations, it is time for you to do some practice. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you get at understanding the concept. So if you're having difficulty with a particular concept or math topics, all you have to do is to keep practicing until you are able to master it. Math is something that you have to keep up with every day in order to be good at it. If you want to get better at something, then you need to practice doing it. Practice improves your speed and accuracy so that eventually you'll be able to think and review the problem in your mind even before doing it. You can also practice with family members or friends who are good at math. This will give you the opportunity to see what you are doing wrong and make corrections. You can practice math problems by using technology to your advantage. There are many websites available that provide interactive practice for various math topics. Some of these websites include Khan Academy, Quizlet, and Study Island. These websites will offer both instruction and practice problems for free, so take advantage of them. If you are still struggling after trying all of these suggestions, don't hesitate to ask for assistance from someone who knows what they are doing. Your teacher or tutor may be able to explain things to you in a different way that makes sense of things, and they might give you some extra practice problems. Finally, you need to work on math so that you know the fundamentals and get a better understanding of it. Practice math problems and review the results so that you can see where you stand. You might surprise yourself at how quickly your grades improve and how much your confidence will grow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.